What's going on, everybody? This is Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know. And guys, we just got an unboxing for you guys today. 2-in-1. Why don't we do 4-in-1? Because what we have got here is probably second to my second rarest DVD of all time. I have the first disc edition of this. And guys, it is A Heart of Gold. As we have, it is royalty. We have the rarest DVD. Hold on. The rarest DVD that I own, possibly in my collection, besides Chris Benoit, we have for $10. I'm not shitting you. For $10, Owen Heart of Gold 3-disc set. We got all of Owen. WrestleMania 10 photo. I have the first disc. So, I already have the documentary. I just don't have the matches. See, I got this for... Doesn't say. But disc 2 and disc 3 I don't have. So I decided to buy this for $10. Clean. You have Blue Blazer versus Mr. Perfect. Owen Hart versus Mike Kyle versus Shawn Michaels versus Bret Hart versus Razor Ramon versus Bret Hart again. In the Lumberjack match from Maine, Nick Barwinkle, Bartel. And then you have versus Shawn Michaels versus Goldust versus Ken Shamrock versus Edge at Over the Edge. No, at Breakdown in 1998. European Championship versus British Bulldog versus Mankind. So this goes up to his death, May 23rd, 1999. You get the documentary is about an hour or two, I want to say, if I remember. You have In Memory, Fun-Loving, Born and Bred Entertainer. Heart Foundation, Writing with Fans, Return of the Blue Blazer. Then May 23rd, 1999. So yeah, you have the arrow with, through the heart, the king, and then the heart. So just fantastic set. Again, I got this. I found this used for $10 off of Half Price Books. And let's check the condition of the discs again. Clean. 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 So, go check out my other unboxing of the Roddy Piper sets and the Hulk Steel rules. Go check that. Go check that out, as I am about to watch the Owen Hart of Gold probably Sunday. So, yeah, very nice set here, and very nice pictures of Owen Hart. There's Owen Hart in all his glory. Excuse me. Slammy Award. There you go. Owen Hart of Gold. So, guys, this has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings. As you know, please follow the YouTube Abessons. Yeah. Oh, this, my friends, is rare and wonderful. Yes. Guys, this has been Patrick from Porter's Unboxings, as you know, and I'm out. Peace.